Hardworking men and women deserve seat covers that are just as hardworking and durable as they are, and FIA delivers with the seat protector. Whether you work in construction or an industrial field, these protective seat covers feature commercial-grade polyester fabric to custom fit your truck seat. The advanced design creates a dynamic custom interior while maintaining the protection of your truck. The fabric is heavy-duty and specifically designed for the rigors of hard work. The double-stitched polyester fabric is water-resistant and laminated to a waterproof vinyl PVC backing. Plus, it offers a full ultraviolet protection for your OEM seat. FIA has designed color options, so you can match just about any look you have going. Installation is simple and no tools are required. The multi-directional stretch polyester trim molds the seat cover to the contours of your seat. And FIA's Super Grip system uses Velcro fasteners and a belt and buckle tightening system for the finishing touch to grip the cover to the seat for a perfect OEM fit in minutes. If you're interested in purchasing the seat protector from FIA or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.